Good morning, boys and girls. Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, and it is our first day of virtual learning. It is great to be here with all of you today. So, in our own virtual way, I guess you could say. So, what's going to happen is I'm going to send you a slideshow just like this every day, and you just go through the slideshow at your leisure as you can, and you complete the work. Any of the work that is on the Your Turn pages, you can just do on a piece of notebook paper, on a plain piece of paper, whatever you would like. And you can email it to me. You can text a picture of it to me through Remind, whatever you need to do to get the work to me. But if you have any questions as you go through this, just send me an email, let me know. But good luck with everything, and you'll see me later on a couple more slides. I'll talk to you later.